Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your Rahul. So we already got to know about the results regarding Wings 1 for the last November cycle. So many got distinction, those who joined in the guidance program for T4 Spring Boot. And other than that, I also uh, give guidance regarding T1 MERN and Django. So many people who followed those also got distinction. So happy to hear all those news. So these are some feedback that I got regarding the guidance program that I conducted last cycle. So so many people are happy that they cleared all those things, and they also like the way that I teach them. So uh, based upon the previous cycles and the new updations, we are going to introduce some new things. So in the coming May cycle, we have the guidance program for T4 Spring Boot, T4 Django, and T1 MERN. So in these three things, it will be paid. So you can ping me for further clarification like payment and all. I'm not revealing all these details now. So it will be a paid program, and those who cleared in the guidance program, they also paid me, like they joined and they cracked it. So it will be easy for you if you follow these uh, things that I'm sharing. So actually, I will just mention you what all things we are doing. We are giving in the guidance program at first. So first of all, we will give you MCQs related to your Wings 1 exam, and uh, other than that prerequisite, I already posted it in this YouTube channel only. You can find it there, or else I will share it to you. And other than that, hands-on questions. So already we have 5 hands-ons, and in this coming cycle we will share 2 other hands-ons which is already asked for the last cycle, which is based upon two different locations. They asked 2 different type questions that will be shared. Other than that, we will conduct mock test which is almost similar to your main exam. So uh, for the last cycles also I shared some mock question which is almost similar to the main exam, and those who done that clearly, they also got cleared. And other than that, we will share explanation video which will be easy for you to understand. And if you are not able to get understand about what I am explaining and all, you can easily ping me. I am giving my social media accounts. Wherever you can ping me, I will connect with you, and I will explain you whatever things you need to know and all. If you stuck anywhere, I will help you to get understand over that. And other than that, so many things like um, what are things you need to know while attending the exam and everything. Which part you need to cover more, which part you need to focus more, like that also we will give you guidance. And there are so many scammers in Telegram also. I used to see, like they will give guidance, they will give you codes and all. When I check with them, they almost asking 10K for some codes. When I ask for the source code and all, they didn't give me. When I tried to contact some other people who have purchased from them, it's somewhat like a easily available stuffs which is normal questions you can easily get from Google. So don't get scammed from those Telegram people. They will easily scam you. So um, rather than going that, you can uh, use Google and all if you are going for that people. So other than that, regarding prerequisite and all, I already mentioned, I shared it in my channel. And these are for digital, means ninja to digital candidates. Now for innovator, That is another part. So for that also we will give guidance program for these three things like Spring Boot, Django, and MERN. So last time they for the T1 MERN they asked JWT. That's the first time they introduced this thing security part. That's why we are about to do that also. So if you are interested in these things like T4 Spring Boot, T4 Django, and T1 MERN, you can ping me. I will help you because if you follow these things, whatever I'm sharing, so I will just show you. So these are some of the paid MCQs that I prepared. Then uh, these are some T4 Spring Boot guidance program things. Other than that, in this also we have Spring Boot, MERN, and me. Other than that, we will these are some things that we did till the last cycle. For this cycle, we will give you new stuffs which will be um, almost same to the previous cycle, and you will get the mock test which will be about 2 to 3 questions we will give. You have to complete it, and we will also share you the result code. That also will be easy for you to revise. So like this we will give you all the preparation kit which will be easy for you to crack this digital and innovator. So we are only focusing on these two currently, and we will try to start with other tracks from prerequisite. If we are able to do it, we will try to start guidance program for other tracks also. So these are the current things, and if you have any query or any doubt and regarding information regarding this guidance program, you can ping me. I will help you. And if you have any other issues regarding this, you can also ask me for that. So these are the things. If you have any doubt, just ping me. I will reply to you. So that's it. See you in next video. Thank you.